Proxy, effective logs for tracking down usage trends. A proxy server is a server that acts as an intermediary for the request from client syncing resources from other server. A client connects to the proxy server requesting some services such as file, connection, web page and other resource available from a different server, and the proxy server evaluates the request as a way to simplify and control its complexity. Web browsing. Proxies for Rent is a pragmatic web server's guide to online privacy and anonymous web surfing, which gives you the information and tools you need to be confident and in command of your web surfing experience. Here you'll find information on the latest privacy issues facing web consumers and link to relevant privacy technology. Proxies for Rent has the most comprehensive list of working proxies in the most convenient form. It helps you in technical challenges to online privacy. IP addresses are being hidden. Proxies are commonly used for several reasons: security, load balancing, data caching in order to reduce bandwidth demand, and censorship or filtering. Filtering proxies insulate you from objectable elements to web pages such as cookies and ad banners, dynamic content like JavaScript, Java applet, and ActiveX control. Some anonymous proxies encrypt your communication to protect you from monitoring and surveillance. Cron job by proxy. To retrieve a proxy from a cron job or other automated process, it's generally better to use the retriever mode with a password. This does not require the retrieving process to have access to either your grid certification or an existing proxy. For this case, you store the proxy like this. Ticketmaster used by proxies. Some online service providers such as AOL or Prodigy use a device called proxy server. Proxy servers save copy to site on their server rather than connecting user to the internet or the specific site requested. In most cases, this works fine. Using private proxy might prevent you from purchasing ticket because you need to access our ticketing system directly. If you do not know if you are accessing the internet through using a proxy server, contact your internet service provider. Access ticketmaster.com through a direct internet connection and not through any service using proxy server. Proxies for Facebook. Simply, people cannot live without Facebook. But what if you type a facebook.com in your browser and a message appears telling you sorry, Facebook is blocked, you cannot access it? We have the proxy list. Facebook proxy provides you with the simplest solution to unblock Facebook. You just need to type a facebook.com in the above box and hit go, and that's it. Proxies used for tweeters. Using proxies, any person can access Twitter site which is being banned to any part of the world. Proxies for cache list. Free proxies basically do not work. These are no free solution to getting a proxy for cache list. Craigslist knows what to look for when detecting proxies, and free proxies do not mask themselves, and anyone can examine the IP and detect that it is coming from the proxy, which this is what Casualist does, and that is why 99.9% of free proxy won't work, and IPs will be completely undetectable and you can get them from any other country you want. Setting up proxy is much easier and cheaper than you probably think, and if you are serious about posting an CL, this is the only option you should consider. Proxies for live sport. UK as well as online football live streaming information, live football score channel restriction is controlled by IP. However, proxy modification. To watch live the excitement of the match, use proxy. Proxies for Instagram. Instagram proxy will allow you to bypass web filter and access social networking site or all the site you want to visit to visit from work or school, which are blocked by your network administrator. A proxy or proxy server is basically another computer which serves a hub through which internet requests are processed. By connecting through one of these servers, your computer sends your request to the proxy server, which then processes your request and return what are you wanting. Protect your site. Be safe using proxies. Thanking you. For more info, log on to www.proxiesforrent.com.